Hello everybody, welcome to Sanctus Academy. In this video, we will revise the French Revolution and the idea of the nation, the French nation. In the previous video, we revised that the emergence of the nationalism in the 19th century led to the emergence of nation states in place of the multinational dynastic empires of Europe. In 1789, French nationalism led to the French Revolution, which resulted in the transfer of sovereignty from the monarch to a body of French citizens. In other words, till 1789, France was a full-fledged territorial state under the rule of an absolute monarch. After the Revolution of 1789, political and constitutional changes led to the change in power to a body of French citizens. In the previous video, we had learnt that a nation is based on the social capital of the people and large-scale solidarity. To achieve this, the French revolutionaries introduced various measures and practices to create a sense of collective identity amongst the French people. These are la patrie, that means the fatherland, and le citoyen, that means the citizen. Notion of a united community, enjoying equal rights under a constitution, a French flag, the tricolour, was chosen to replace the former royal standard. The Estates General was elected by the body of active citizens and renamed the National Assembly. The National Assembly is the French Parliament. New hymns were composed and oaths taken. Martyrs were commemorated. A centralized administrative system was put in place. Uniform laws for all citizens. Internal customs, duties, and dues were abolished. Uniform system of weights and measures was adopted. A common language was encouraged. This is French as it was spoken in Paris, and regional dialects were discouraged. An easy way to remember this is imagining a housing society or colony where various people stay together. Various people from similar backgrounds or a common link come together to live in a housing society. They consider the place as their home and have an attachment to it and have contributed to it together. They are thus united. They speak a common language and have a common goal. That's how they communicate to each other. In the house, they have uniform rules and equal rights. All the laws are equal for the members of the housing society. They take decisions together after discussing it. They do social activities together and also appreciate each other's efforts. This also enhances commonness. They have a central system of running or administrating the housing society. They directly pay their contributions to one person or central system. So they do not have to pay many people. They have a uniform method to measure each one's contributions. Similarly, linking it to the measures the revolutionaries took for the nation, the people and the family are the basic unit of the nation. They are the people. The nation is the housing society. The people consider the place as their home or fatherland. That's la patrie. The people are the citizens. That is le citoyen. They are the members of the housing society. The people speak a common language and have a common goal. That is the betterment of the housing society. Similarly, the French nation had a common language and a new French flag was chosen. This enhanced commonness. The people have a notion of united community and stay together. The same is true for a nation. The people of the nation and housing society both have common rules and laws and a constitution. The people enjoy equal rights under the constitution and have common rules. The people take decisions after discussing with each other in a managing committee. Similarly, in France, the Estates General was renamed the National Assembly, which is the parliament where decisions are taken after discussion. The people do social activities together and recognize each other's efforts. Likewise, in the French nation, new hymns were composed and oaths were taken and martyrs commemorated. Like a housing society, the French nation too had a central administrative system. This is convenient for all citizens. In a housing society, the contribution is made to a central administrator, to one person. Likewise, in the French nation, customs, duties, and dues were abolished and contribution was made to a central system. The French nation adopted a uniform system of weights and measures, so everyone's contribution could be measured equally. In addition, the French nation's destiny was declared to be to help other people of Europe become nations and liberate them from despotism. Okay, we have revised the French Revolution and the idea of the nation, part 1, that is the French nation. In the next video, we will revise the French Revolution and its effect on the rest of Europe. I'll see you there.